Welcome back to the channel. Well, I figured today was a good day, especially since it's the winter and not much going on, to give what's been requested a lot, which was a detailed description of the entire build. So I'm gonna walk you guys through a detailed description of the build from the beginning all the way to where we're currently at. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Do like, share, subscribe, and we'll just kind of jump right into it from here. Well, that concludes our 2019 videos, as well as all action, pretty much detailed throughout the year where we're at, and we're really excited for what's coming in 2020. The original build that I was going to do back in October is now what will be taking full effect, because obviously there's no racing season for a few months, so I'm gonna get it all done. We have a few good events coming up in 2020. One of which is Bradenton. That'll start off the year. Then the Demonology Duckmaster call out. Anyone can get it. We'll be out in Texas for that. And Texas 2K. We'll be out there for Texas 2K. So we'll be out in Texas for a little while. But most importantly is the new build. I'm pretty sure a lot of people will like it. And obviously we're not going slower. So all of the things requested by some and whatnot, as far as beef and everything up, yeah, we're going full build. So that's motor, trans, everything, suspension. So everything's getting beefed up, and we're going to give a detailed process throughout all of that. So if you do like that, please do like, share, subscribe each video. Share. It helps. It helps with the build. I'm not a big merch pusher, so I'll go with the views, you know. Like if you just feel the need to let the video play 3-4 times, you know, that's good support for us. So anyway, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys all had happy holidays and a happy new year. Stay tuned for us in 2020.